Hi, this is Ondřej from Sketch Engine, and this time I will explain how parallel corpora, also called multilingual corpora, work in Sketch Engine. A parallel corpus and multilingual corpus are synonymous. It is a corpus made up of texts and their translations into one or more languages. The very important thing is that the texts are aligned. Alignment means that Sketch Engine knows which segment in one language corresponds to which segment in the other language. A segment refers typically to a sentence or short paragraph. Each language of a parallel corpus exists as a separate corpus in Sketch Engine and can be used as a monolingual corpus too. The parallel concordance tool is only active if a parallel corpus is selected. If you know the name of the corpus, type it into the selector. If not, this is how you can see which parallel corpora there are. With a parallel corpus selected, the parallel concordance tool becomes active. The search options are exactly the same as those for the monolingual concordance, including CQL. Please watch the videos in the concordance playlist for details. Searching for car in English will find all English segments which contain car and will display the aligned German segments. The German segments may or may not contain the translation of the word car, depending on how the translator decided to express the idea. Sketch Engine tries to identify the possible translation and highlights it in yellow, which may not be possible in all situations. Criteria can be applied on just the first language or on the first language and the second language. It is not possible to set criteria for the second language only. Instead, change the order of languages. It is also possible to include more than 2 languages into the search. And also remove the languages. Metadata or line details can only be displayed for the first language. Some tools are applied on the whole concordance. Other tools can be applied on the individual columns or languages. The filter is always available. Sorting and frequency is only active with columns where the user applied some search criteria. Watch the videos in the concordance playlist. They explain the tools for working with the concordance result. To try Sketch Engine, register for a free trial on sketchengine.eu. To see more videos like this one, click the subscribe button below. Thank you for watching and see you at the next video. Leave us a comment if there is a special topic you would like to see.